Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use merge blocks in Space Engineers. First, understand their primary function, to permanently connect two separate grids. These powerful tools allow you to combine ships, stations, or components into a single cohesive structure. Proper alignment is crucial for successful merging, ensuring the blocks on both grids are perfectly matched. Once connected, the merge blocks themselves vanish, leaving a unified grid behind. This process is irreversible, so plan your designs carefully before committing. To activate merge blocks, simply place them on the two grids you wish to combine, ensuring they face each other directly. Both grids must have sufficient power for the merge blocks to function correctly. When properly aligned and powered, the merge blocks will illuminate with a distinct green glow, signaling they are ready to connect. Once merged, the connection is permanent, and the two grids become one. There is no unmerge button, so always double-check your setup. Merge blocks are incredibly versatile for advanced construction. They are essential for creating modular ship designs, allowing you to swap out components or expand your vessel. You can also use them to securely attach subgrids, such as pistons or rotors, ensuring a robust connection that won't break under stress. For precise alignment, many engineers find it helpful to temporarily secure the grids with a small connector or landing gear before initiating the merge. This prevents accidental movement during the critical merging phase. If your merge blocks aren't glowing green, first verify that both grids have adequate power and that the blocks are perfectly aligned. Also, confirm that both grids share the same ownership or are set to share with all. Obstructions, even small ones, can prevent a merge, so ensure the connection surfaces are clear. Remember, once merged, the grids are one, so always save your game before a major merge operation. For more tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, look for the link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.